Thoughts on Tech video. This time comparing some product characteristics of the GoPro Hero 9 Black and the DJI Osmo Action. In terms of size, the Osmo Action is way smaller than the GoPro, but you can mount the Hero 9 to almost anything using the folding fingers that are hidden into the camera body. To mount the DJI to anything, you need to have the included frame, and then the Osmo becomes at least as chunky as the GoPro, if not chunkier, and you have the mounting fingers sticking out all the time. Both cameras have lens protectors. This was an anticipated comeback on the Hero 9 and was missing in its predecessors. The lens protector on the Osmo Action, because of the screw mechanism, is easier to put on and off. On the GoPro, this can be a little trickier. The GoPro has one single door behind which you find the USB-C port, the battery and the microSD slot. The DJI has a separate door for the USB-C port and microSD slot and the battery in another compartment. This can be an advantage over the GoPro when using the camera connected to a power source. When using the frame on the DJI, you cannot access any of these compartments. On the GoPro, at least in some mount scenarios, you will be able to access the door without the need to unmount. The system on the Osmo Action is faster and more responsive than the one on the GoPro. I have never had my Osmo Action freezing on me. The GoPro does that every now and then. Maybe a sign that this is the 4th generation with the same chip, and that this one is getting out of headroom now. Both cameras have a front color screen that can be used for live preview. On the Osmo Action, you can switch between screens with the touch of a button, but not while recording. On the GoPro, you have more options for this front screen. You may choose between off, status only, actual screen and full screen, which crops the image in a little bit. But you have always to go to your settings menu to change this. No dedicated button is available here.